node immediate successor means the next one to L. No, we don't have. It means L is not having any child, right? So these are containing what? Parent-child relationship. Also grandparent also. See, here you can say this C is what? Child of A, but C is what? Parent of G. So what you can say? This A is what? Grandparent of G. So here I have written nodes, example of a parent node also, child node also, right? Now we will discuss what is leaf node and non-leaf node. See, this L, I have told you this L is not having any child. So the leaf node is what? The node which is having no child, that is known as leaf node, right? So here in this case, leaf nodes are, see, I is a leaf node, J and K, and F is also leaf node, L and M are also leaf node, plus H. These are leaf nodes which are not having any child. Plus leaf node are also known as external nodes. You have to take care of this thing, external nodes, right? So now what is non-leaf node? Which is having at least one child, right? So all the other node except leaf nodes are known as non-leaf node, as well as these are known as internal nodes. So here non-leaf node are A, B, C and D also, plus E and G, right? These are non-leaf node, and you can say these are internal nodes. Now next is path. See, if I ask you how you can go from A to L, right? You will say from A to C, then C to G and G to L. So this is what? This is what a path, right? From root to that node. See now, if I ask you ancestor of L, then what you will say? Ancestor of L. First of all, check out the path from root to that node. So from root is A, root to L, the path is this one, this and this one, right? So ancestor is what? Any predecessor node. Predecessor means the previous ones. So predecessor node of L is what? G also, C also and A also, the predecessor on this path only. So ancestor of L is what? A, C and G. Both, sorry, the three are ancestor of L, right? Now, if I ask you what is ancestor of H, it means find out the path from root to H, this one and this one. So ancestor of H is what? On this path, what are the predecessor of H? D and A. So A and D are ancestor of H. Fine. So now next is descendant. Descendant is what? Any successor node on the path from that node to the leaf node. See, with example, if I ask you what is descendant of C, first of all find out the path from that node, means from C to leaf nodes. So from C, here I can go to G, after that I can go to L, I can go to M also. These are leaf node, we have reached to the leaf node. Fine.